Okay, so this is a Peplink Balance 20X. Let's see what's inside the box. Quick start guide, of course, and then the router, and then we've got power supply over there, and then underneath here a bunch of things, and that's it. Let's get rid of the box. So we've got, I'm in the UK, so a UK plug adapter for the power supply, and then we've got some antennas. Let's have a look. Wi-Fi, dual Wi-Fi and dual cellular antennas. We've got some lovely bit of Peplink Velcro cable tie, and we've got a GPS antenna. Let's take get out of the bag. Right, so the Balance 20X is an interesting product in a lot of ways. Let's walk our way through it. So on the front we've got the two cellular antenna connections for the inbuilt Cat4 modem, as well as a USB port, so you can add an additional USB connection as well if you wanted, like a USB dongle, or even USB to Ethernet and add another wired WAN connection. And on the back we've got Wi-Fi A and B, and then we've also got GPS, and then we've got this little cover here, which is probably the most exciting thing about the Balance 20X, is that it's extendable, it's modular. You can get different modules to go inside of here. Those modules at the moment I think are Cat6 cellular module. I think there's a Cat12 or maybe a Cat18, and there's also a VDSL module as well. And then we've got LAN ports and WAN. So this at the moment then is a dual WAN device, and that it's got, or a triple WAN device, and it's got wired WAN, it's got an inbuilt Cat4 modem, and it also has USB WAN on the front, but you can add an additional WAN connection here. It's plastic, but it feels weighty in the hand. It feels very well built, and underneath we've got the SIM card slots. That's for the internal Cat4 modem. It's a lovely little box. And there we go. Thank you very much.